What I have for you today is this DeWalt kit that comes with two 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a carry bag. I'll show you what you get inside here. This was a pretty good value because typically these batteries are pretty expensive. You buy them one at a time. But in this kit, it was very good cost for what you're getting. So you're getting two 5 amp hour batteries. You're not going to get the 4 amp hour batteries, which are pretty commonly sold with their tools when it's packaged with the tool. So this is that really cool bag from DeWalt that's got the pockets on each side like this. It's got a metal frame here, so it keeps its structure. And this is great for just throwing tools in here, throwing parts in here, and taking them to the job site, throwing them in the back of your truck. And then packaged inside, you can see the two batteries on the right, charger on the left. These are your 5 amp hour batteries. They're the traditional design. Some of the other ones are a little more squatty. This is that traditional design. And this is 2024 right now, and this is showing 2023. So these are pretty freshly created. So you don't want to get really old stock with these. The charger you're going to get here, this is a works on 12 volt or the 20 volt charger. It's the 1104. So if you check on the back of this here, you'll see it tells you that this is going to be 1.7 amps, and these differ in the amperage. So you want to make sure you get ones that charge at the speed that you would like. And this 1.7 amp is it's aimed at a 4 amp charge, so it's going to take a little bit longer with these 5 amp batteries. So that's the difference on these. But this is a very compact charger, pretty nice. They just pop in like you remember from other ones, same way. It just clicks in here like that. So you're going to get your instruction manual, and then that's pretty much it. So it's a pretty good deal. Get 2 sets of these batteries here, and really the price, you're getting the charger for free and the bag as well. So for the most part. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.